Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create a website using AI. In this video, we're going to show you the two options with which you can create a website using AI. The first option is for those who have no idea about website creation, coding, elements, etc. You just need a website done really quickly. The second option is for those who know about website creation and want to do it all themselves from scratch without hiring someone. So these are the two options we're going to show you. No matter which category you cater to, this video will help you understand how you can create a website using AI. So let's begin. The first option is, as I said, for those people who have no idea about website creation and want to do website creation really quick. They want a website created instantly. The platform that will help you is durable.co. As you can see over here, this is the website. This website helps you build a website in 30 seconds with AI. You can see over here, and the AI website builder that generates an entire website with images and copy as well in seconds. So to start your journey with durable.co, all you need to do is click on this generate your website button right over here. And it'll take you through a small process. So first of all, you need to click on get started over here. And that'll take you to the next page, which is, it'll ask you like, what type of business are you building? I'm going to type in fashion. And then I'm going to click on next. Then it's going to ask you what is the name of your business. I'm going to just write a random name and click next. And then you can see that it's going to take a couple of seconds or even maybe a minute to generate the website. And it is being created right now. As you can see, each section is being generated all through AI. And you can see what is happening currently, like it was adding a map and then it was adding the section, and now the website is ready. So just need to click on see it, and this is the website that the platform has created for me. So this is the header, and it's got a text over here. Scrolling further, you can see that there is another section over here. Then there is the services section where you got these three services added right instantly. And then there is the testimonial over here and the client section as well. There's the location and a call to action like contact us. And then you've got the footer as well over here. It's a pretty decent design, very professional looking. I like that they've got the name already written over here. And then there's the social media buttons over here, which is kind of mandatory for every site nowadays, be it any category. So if you notice, when we scroll through, like if you just hover your cursor on the section, you can see that there is this option of regenerate section. Like say I want to regenerate this section, the AI is going to get to work and start generating, and you can see it has regenerated the section very beautifully. So you can do that if you don't like any section. The pictures obviously are taken from AI. It's all AI generated. So if you have any pictures of your products or your services or your studio or whatever it is, you can just add them here. On the top right side over here, you can see that there is the customize button. So to customize it according to your wish, you need to sign up. And just by signing up, you can see there are multiple options now that appear. So if I just hover my cursor on this section, I've got the option to edit it or to duplicate it, move it up and down, delete it. And on the top right side, you can see that you can change the device that you're looking at. You can regenerate. There are settings as well, and do whatever you want. So you can even create another page. Like we are on the home page, you can create another page using this option over here. Now let's go to the second option, which is 10 Web. It's an AI powered WordPress platform. So if you see over here, it pretty much looks like WordPress. It'll generate your website in minutes with AI. It'll help you get the fastest hosting powered by Google Cloud and help you boost your website's page speed score to 90 plus, which is something very unique. Now to get started, you just need to click over here on the get started for free button on the top right side right over here. This will take you to this sign up page where you have the option to sign up with Google or your email address. So I'll just sign up and I'll be back. Now, once you sign up, this is going to be the screen that will end up on your screen. And here you have four options. You can create a new website with AI. So the tool will help you create a website, or you can convert a website to WordPress with AI, migrate WordPress website to 10 web hosting, or optimize a WordPress website. Since we are here to create a website using AI, this is the option we're going to go with. And that'll take you to this page where you just need to give in the business type. So we first need to select the business type over here, and I'm just going to click on digital agency and click on next. Now let's choose a layout. So we've got all these options. I'm going to go for the center one and click on next. Now let's give our company a name. And well, you can just describe it. I'm just gonna write fashion, all about fashion. That's right, all about fashion. So over here they need kind of a long description, so after typing in that, I'll just click on next, and I'm gonna write SEO over here, SMM, and content and leads, right? And then click on next. Then we can just skip these steps, and I'm going to click on formal and finalize. So we're going to give the whole platform a few seconds or even minutes to go through all these steps. So now you can see it probably took around 30 to 45 seconds to clear all these steps for the AI tool to generate my website. And now it has been done, so you can click on preview and edit, and that will open up in another window, and you can see that it has developed a very formal looking, very beautiful website. Let's move that out of the way, and it's pretty decent, very straightforward, which I really like. This is how it will look like on mobile device, if you can see that, and you can toggle the view over here to desktop. So that's how it looks like. So based on all the questions that you had answered before, it'll bring out the content over here, and it's very professional looking. As you can see, it has even generated the copy for each section, which is superb. So if you want to edit this website, all you need to do is go to your dashboard. So you have this website over here, and if you click on it, this is how it will appear. So this is the particular website's dashboard, and you've got a couple of options on the left side. So right now our speed, like our website speed, is 98%. So if you just click over here, you can see that these are all the details about how your website's speed is. So the mobile score is like 1 second, and desktop score is 0.9 seconds. So this is one feature that I've not seen in other AI website builders, which is really good. Then you've got the overview section, and you've got all the details of your website. Then the AI builder itself, which will help you edit the pages, edit the content of your page. Then there's the website booster, in that if you go to the main, you can see the options of how you can boost your website. You've got the pages section, then the image optimizer. So if you're someone who has a website with a lot of images, then it'll help you optimize for better speed. Then you also have the Cloudflare Enterprise add-on, so you can add it to your website. Then there is the settings. So it's pretty much very similar to WordPress. If you are familiar with WordPress, then you will be familiar with all these options and these details over here. So there's the credentials, there's a point domain, and there's also tools, and then there is plugins, WordPress themes, backup. So yes, you also can back up your website, which is incredible. And then you've got the SEO option, which you will need to enable, and also the white label option from 10web.io. So with that, we have completed our tutorial on how you can create a website using AI, and we truly hope that you've understood both of these options, and it will be helpful for you to create your website using AI. With that, we come to an end to this video. We truly hope it helped you. We'll catch you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.